Hey, what is up you guys, it is me again, Trav's Bits and Bobs. Welcome to a brand new video, and today I'm going to show you my top 5 favourite cars and motorbikes on here. So we've got the BF, that goes on the sand on the beach. We've got this LC on the Mercedes bike. These are sports cars now. And we have this nice monster truck. Let's have a look at these bikes. That is a really lovely one. These are the American version bikes. And that bike is nice. And that is a good bike, PGG600. That trail bike is the best. Is this car I like as well. I'm not going to buy any, just showing you what ones I like, and not that pink one obviously. But let's take a look at this one for a minute. We don't want to buy it. This is all the information about this car. It's like, guys, like, you've got all this information on here. People like in touch, like, you can make it different colours. Look, like white, black, green, blue, red, pink, yellow, and orange. So I'll show you what else we've got on here other than them. So I think we do have, oh, we have boats too. So it's GTA I'm looking at. So we've got this boat here. Yep, we've got that boat. And that speedboat. So they're my favourites really. So right, anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. I've been Trav's Bits and Bobs over and out. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Peace out.